guts and spit and ass was everywhere. And Bubba come crawling out the back door. Both legs missing. Lula made baby boy. He looked up at me and said, "Hey, I can't feel my legs." I said, "Bubba, they ain't there." And I looked there, and them little bloody nubs was kicking real fast like this here. And I said, "Bubba, it's 35 to the nearest town. Unless you can flip upside down and walk on your hands, you ain't gonna make it." All of a sudden, Charlie was all over the place. Just me and my side on. And I had no other alternative but to blast my way out. You never take major fish and winner for pain alive. Bam! I know what you did to my friend. Bam! Hello, Miss Walburn.